G'day, I'm Charles and today I'm demonstrating the Woodfast BS450A 18-inch Deluxe bandsaw. Woodfast offers woodworkers like you reliable, high-performance woodworking at an affordable price. This 18-inch Woodfast Deluxe bandsaw offers all the features you need, including an innovative, easy-to-adjust blade guide system, a powerful 3 horsepower motor, a massive 330mm depth of cut, and a full suite of safety features. Stick with me as we go through the details and learn why this machine is perfect for your workshop. The BS450A features Woodfast's innovative, spring-loaded, toolless blade guide system. These guides are incredibly easy to adjust. Just loosen the knob. The guides are spring-loaded so that they don't slide all over the place as you adjust them. You can push smoothly into the correct setting for your blade and lock. Of all the bandsaw guides, these guides are the simplest to adjust, saving you time in the workshop. The Woodfast 18-inch bandsaw comes with a very powerful and durable 3 horsepower induction motor fitted with a 15 amp plug. This motor provides all the power you will need with a massive 330mm depth of cut achievable with this saw. The depth of cut is very easy to set. Just release this knob and turn the wheel to adjust. Allow the rack and pinion mechanism to do the work. You can adjust your saw quickly and safely to suit the thinness of plywoods through to the deepest of rips in hardwood. The Woodfast 18-inch Deluxe bandsaw offers you a full suite of safety features. Both doors feature micro switches, which means the machine won't operate if the doors are opened, and a no volt relay switch, so if the power disconnects and reconnects unexpectedly, the saw won't automatically start. The foot brake allows you to switch the saw off hands-free and bring to a full stop without having to wait around. And there's an emergency kick stop just in case. The BS450A features you a super versatile high-low aluminium fence. In the high position, the fence is 150mm tall, perfect for resawing wide boards. Used in the low position, the fence provides you space around the blade to work and is great for sawing thin stock. This fence also offers a drift bar, helping you guide the workpiece for straight and accurate ripping. The fence may be used either side of the blade and feature a sturdy, easy to grip locking handle. This 18-inch bandsaw has precision ground cast work table with a single T-slot. It also has 3 metal outriggers to increase the surface of your work table. Using the rack and pinion running gear, the table can be tilted from -10 to +45 with ease. And there is a stop pin to zero your work table back at 90 degrees. This work table gives you flexibility for a wide range of sawing tasks. The blade change slot runs forward, yet you don't have to remove the fence when changing blades. The BS450A features twin 450mm balanced cast iron band wheels with hard-wearing urethane bandsaw tires. These heavy-duty wheels provide the momentum you need to execute those deep 300mm plus cuts. Running at 1000 meters per minute, this saw accepts blades from 6mm through to 36mm in width, giving you the freedom to complete a wide range of cuts in all sorts of material. The saw has a blade quick tension release system, which helps to prolong the life of your saw blade and makes changing the blade quick and easy. It also has a standard, accurate blade tensioning system, so you can really tune the blade tension in. There is a blade tensioning gauge inside the cabinet to assist. This means no more guesswork when adjusting your blade's tension. The Woodfast 18-inch bandsaw has 200mm dust ports, ensuring your saw runs as clean as possible when working. There is a toolkit provided for quick adjustments. A miter gauge and a push stick is included. This saw weighs over 170 kilograms, so a mobility kit is available as an accessory for when you need to move it around the workshop. If you want a bandsaw with the works, then check out the Woodfast BS450A. This Woodfast saw offers enthusiasts, educators and pro woodworkers reliable, high-performance woodworking at an affordable price. Get in and see your Woodfast dealer today or visit us online at woodfastmachinery.com.au. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the workshop.